Hello and welcome back to Mirrorreview. Imagine a world where machines fight your battles. Is this a future we're ready for? Drones, once the toys of hobbyists, are rapidly evolving into sophisticated tools with the potential to reshape our world. From delivering packages to inspecting infrastructure, their capabilities seem boundless. But beneath the surface of convenience lies a complex web of technological advancement, ethical dilemmas, and potential dangers. In this video, we dive deep into the world of AI drones to explore the exciting possibilities and the very real concerns that come with them. Imagine a world where drones, those buzzing marvels of technology, become our frontline heroes in humanitarian aid. These aerial devices, equipped with cutting-edge AI, are not just futuristic toys, they're transforming how we respond to crises. Picture this: a drone navigating through the wreckage of an earthquake, delivering critical supplies to those in dire need. The potential here isn't just impressive, it's revolutionary. Take the aftermath of Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico, for instance. The island was left devastated, with countless communities cut off from essential resources. Traditional rescue efforts were hampered by destroyed infrastructure and challenging terrain. Enter AI-powered drones. These nimble machines took to the skies, mapping out the hardest-hit areas, delivering medical supplies, and even providing real-time data to rescue teams. The speed and efficiency of these drones turned what could have been weeks of waiting into hours of action. The impact of AI drones extends far beyond disaster relief. In agriculture, they monitor crops and optimize yields. In environmental conservation, they track wildlife and combat illegal poaching. And in logistics, they promise to revolutionize delivery systems. AI drones, with their versatility and precision, are not just tools, they're catalysts for change, improving lives and streamlining operations across multiple sectors. The sky, quite literally, is no longer the limit. The rise of the drone industry is not just about innovation, it's a significant driver of economic transformation. Consider the potential job creation that comes with the expansion of this technology. From manufacturing and programming to maintenance and pilot services, the drone industry promises a multitude of new job opportunities. These are not just any jobs, but high-tech positions that require specialized skills, offering substantial wages and career growth. Take, for instance, the success story of Zipline, a company that uses drones to deliver medical supplies to remote areas. Zipline has revolutionized healthcare logistics in countries like Rwanda and Ghana, cutting delivery times from hours to mere minutes. Their operations have not only improved access to essential medical supplies, but have also spurred local job creation. From engineers designing advanced drones to logistics managers ensuring timely deliveries, Zipline's business model has created a ripple effect of economic activity. The broader economic benefits of the drone industry are substantial. Increased efficiency in sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and disaster management can lead to cost savings and productivity gains. However, these advancements come with challenges. Regulatory hurdles, privacy concerns, and the need for robust cybersecurity measures are significant issues that need addressing. Yet, the potential for economic growth and job creation makes the drone industry a compelling frontier in our technological future. The balance between innovation and regulation will be key to unlocking its full potential. The allure of constant surveillance isn't new, but drones are transforming this concept from dystopian fiction into an unsettling reality. Imagine a sky filled with prying eyes, capable of capturing intimate details of our lives. From backyard barbecues to peaceful protests, nothing is truly private when drones can hover overhead. This isn't just a hypothetical threat. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has seen a surge in drone technology, with both sides leveraging these aerial platforms for intelligence to gather information. The rapid integration of AI into these systems is raising profound ethical questions about the nature of warfare and the potential for autonomous weapons to make life or death decisions without human intervention. Beyond the battlefield, the potential for misuse of drones is a growing concern. From package theft to personal surveillance, the malicious applications are as diverse as they are unsettling. It's a reminder that with every technological advancement comes a corresponding responsibility to ensure it's used for the benefit of humanity, not its detriment. Let's talk about something that's crucial but often overlooked: the need for clear drone regulations. You see, drones are incredible tools that can revolutionize industries from photography to delivery services. However, without proper regulations, they can pose significant risks. In December 2018, an unauthorized drone caused chaos at Gatwick Airport in London. Over 140,000 passengers were affected, with around 1,000 flights diverted or cancelled, and the incident reportedly cost the airport and airlines between £50 and £75 million. This incident highlighted a glaring issue: the lack of robust regulations for drone operations near sensitive areas like airports. The absence of clear guidelines not only caused inconvenience but also posed severe safety risks. So, why do we need clear regulations for drones? Well, a robust regulatory framework ensures that drone operators know where and when they can fly, minimizing the risk of accidents and conflicts with manned aircraft. It helps in maintaining airspace safety and security, protecting both the public and property. Moreover, well-defined regulations foster innovation by providing a predictable environment for businesses to develop and deploy drone technologies responsibly. In essence, while drones hold immense potential, their safe and responsible operation hinges on having comprehensive and enforceable regulations. It's about balancing innovation with safety, ensuring that the sky remains a safe and secure place for everyone. So, where are we headed with this drone revolution? Remember those tiny, agile drones in Spider-Man: Far From Home? That's not just Marvel magic anymore. We're on the cusp of a world where these flying machines could be delivering packages to your doorstep, rushing life-saving supplies to disaster zones, or even transforming how we move around cities. But as our friendly neighbor once said, great power comes with great responsibility. We're going to need robust regulations, ethical frameworks, and international cooperation to ensure these incredible machines are used for good. The future of AI drones is a blank canvas, and the colors we choose to paint it with will shape the world for generations to come. It's a future filled with both promise and peril, and it's up to us to steer it in the right direction. So, there you have it. AI drones, these once futuristic flying machines, are now knocking on our doorsteps, ready to revolutionize everything from logistics to emergency response. But as with any powerful technology, there's a fine line between progress and peril. The future of AI drones is wide open, and it's up to us to shape it wisely. What do you think? Are we ready for a world of autonomous aerial vehicles? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to suggest topics for future videos. Thanks for watching.